One technique that instantly gives environments a sense of mystery is glowing fog drifting through the scene. Today, how to create photo bash glowing forest environments. Start inside Photoshop by creating a canvas around 3,500 by 2,000 pixels. Import a forest background image and stretch it across the canvas. Now bring in additional tree or branch images and place them across the foreground to build natural depth. Add layer masks and softly blend the edges so the elements feel integrated with the forest floor. Next, create a new layer set to screen and select a large